Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best macaroni salad recipe. First, cook 16 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions, ensuring it's perfectly al dente. Rinse it with cold water to stop cooking and prevent sticking. Next, we'll combine a rich, tangy dressing that coats every noodle beautifully. This recipe guarantees a crowd-pleasing side dish, perfect for any gathering. Let's get started on this delicious classic. The secret to an amazing macaroni salad lies in its dressing. Combine 1.5 cups of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for that essential tang. Add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything until it's smooth and creamy. This dressing is the heart of our salad, providing incredible flavor. Now, let's incorporate some fresh, crunchy elements that elevate our macaroni salad. Finely dice 1 cup of crisp celery and 1/2 cup of red onion. These add a wonderful texture and a subtle bite. For extra richness and protein, stir in 2 chopped hard-boiled eggs. If you like, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley can provide a bright, herbaceous finish. Gently fold these ingredients into your cooked macaroni, ensuring everything is evenly distributed before adding the dressing. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour your delicious, creamy dressing over the macaroni and vegetable mixture. Gently fold it all until every piece is coated in that incredible flavor. For the best results, cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. This makes a huge difference. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Serve it up and enjoy your perfect macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.